Well, good morning. Time now is 6:19. Looking behind me here is a very foggy start. This is our New Bedford camera, and again, you can't see a whole lot. And most of our cameras this morning, because of that fog, locally dense in spots. Many actually locations are below a mile of visibility. You can see that here on the map. All these locations that you see here, all below, well below a mile actually as well. So be mindful of that if you are traveling this morning. We have the fog out there, of course, here in East Providence. Can't see a whole lot either. And also looking outside here, I believe in the camera in Lincoln, it's not as bad, but you can clearly see the fog in the distance. So keep that in mind. It'll be around this morning. Extra clouds as well. Staying cloudy all day long for today, with some of that mist and drizzle at times. Temperatures on the mild side, once again, we're in the 40s. A south wind going to be picking up throughout the day, bringing us some gusty winds later on today into tonight. We are tracking that cold front that's going to bring us a round of heavy rain, as well as some strong winds. It's really going to be doing that overnight tonight into our Monday. So most of today actually does look dry. Again, watch out for some mist and drizzle in spots. Let's talk about this weather timeline though. Rainfall 1 to 2 inches, isolated 3 in spots. The wind, south gusts 35 to 45 miles per hour. Flooding is also possible in those typical flood-prone spots, low-lying areas as well. This is more so again overnight and into Monday, as we're looking at the chance for a few inches of rainfall over the next 24 hours or so. Live radar, we're quiet for now. There's a few spritzes and sprinkles out there, nothing really widespread, but off to the west, we are looking at our cold front that has a lot of moisture with it, making its way eastward, and you can see the green here moving north and east with the arrow showing that. Windy out ahead of that cold front, so that's what we're looking at, those winds picking up through the day today and especially into tonight. We can time it out. A lot of gray on the screen. The gray is, of course, the cloud cover. Where you see some of those little areas of green off the coastline, that's some of the sprinkles and the late showers that pass on through. Again, primarily a dry day, but looking at the heavier rainfall arriving later on tonight and into tomorrow. Nice and close here, 1 a.m. overnight. South wind's going to be pretty strong at times, looking at those downpours moving on through. Can't even rule out a thunderstorm late tonight into tomorrow morning. And again, with all this embedded heavier rainfall moving on through right in time for that morning commute. As of now, it does look pretty sloppy for that Monday morning commute. Here's 7 a.m. You can see some of that moderate to heavy rain pushing on through. The back edge still across parts of Connecticut. It's going to be a slow moving system here through the day on Monday. You can see that front pushes its way eastward, but by 11 a.m. still seeing the rainfall across our area, though by 11 a.m. it looks as though the heaviest rain should be shifted more to the east. And then by the afternoon hours, about 3 p.m. still seeing some rain left over, but notice the back edge getting very close to our area. We'll be seeing that rain continue at least into the afternoon hours for your Monday. How much rain are we talking about? As I mentioned, 1 to 3 inches of rain expected. And again, these totals will vary in spots. Generally speaking, 1 to 2 is a good bet, but could not rule out an area that sees, maybe 3 inches of rain in some of those embedded downpours and thunderstorms from this system. So again, we are in that excessive rainfall threat. That's for that heavy rain tonight. It just means that there's a low level chance that we could be seeing some flooding in spots anywhere in the green. So just keep that in mind again as you go into your day on Monday. 7-day forecast for you. Spring-like pattern continues upcoming week, looking at temperatures in the 50s. Best days of the week, I'd say, are Tuesday and Wednesday, looking at mid to upper 50s. Warm and dry, and then maybe some more wet weather towards the later next week, Thursday and Friday, before temperatures cool off a bit. So again, sloppy start to the week though, with that heavy rain tonight and also the gusty winds as well.
It looks all right though, because if we can get through tonight, tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday look pretty nice.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday look pretty good. Then some more showers to end the week. So
all right,
spring-like pattern.
That's all right. Thank you, Stephen. Coming up next on 12 News this morning.